If you manage a manufacturing facility, you know how crucial it is to meet your production goals. Lowering costs, improving efficiency, and on-time delivery are paramount. With operations embracing the cloud and other new technologies, manufacturers are becoming smart factories. This gives them a competitive edge, but it also increases the risk of network outages. One of the biggest manufacturing issues is downtime. On average, manufacturers deal with up to 800 hours of downtime annually. In fact, manufacturing industry research shows the cost of downtime can be as high as $20,000 per minute. The reality is, if your factory is offline, you're losing money. How do you avoid losing profits and dealing with stressed employees and equipment? It all starts with having a secure, non-stop network connection. Having your factory network go offline is simply not an option. But when you stop to think about it, your network also powers your entire manufacturing operation. The risk of downtime extends to other critical plant systems, such as inventory, supply chain, and office systems that should always be online to ensure maximum productivity. The bottom line, you need a trusted network solution that runs 24/7. You can't afford to wait for IT support to manually diagnose and fix a connection for you. Remember, downtime equals lost revenue. The solution? Manage SD-WAN powered by adaptive networks. We create secure, non-stop connections with automated fast failover that instantly detects link problems and reacts to keep your entire plant network online. Adaptive Solutions provides agile cloud connectivity for optimum productivity. Adaptive is a trusted solution that's powerful enough to support large enterprise, yet affordable to fit smaller IT budgets. Adaptive SD-WAN creates an intelligent, scalable network that allows you to grow and embrace new technologies while lowering your downtime costs and improving performance. Whether you need more bandwidth to power your operations, cloud applications, or centralized management that reduces your on-site IT costs, Adaptive SD-WAN delivers a manufacturing network of the future. If you're interested in learning more how we can help your network performance with a secure, unbreakable connection, we'd love to hear from you. Contact us today.